Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about what you can do to help stop the DJI ban. Because if you like flying your drone in places like this, or just anywhere in the United States, well, that right is under threat. There is legislation. If you Google DJI legislation, you can see the legislation that's being proposed in the House of Representatives. This is in the United States, of course, against DJI. So, in short, what this means is if this bill were to become law, DJI would not be allowed to operate in the United States. And it would effectively make using a DJI drone something that's illegal. So you can help stop this by writing your congressman. So here's a look at the text of the bill, and let's just look at these sponsors. They're all Republican. I'm going to show every one of their faces because if you're watching this and you're one of their districts, it's very important you write them and let them know this is not okay. But you can write your congressional representative even if they aren't sponsoring or co-sponsoring this bill. So here's the other co-sponsor. And then Mills out of Florida. And we got Michael Guest out of Mississippi. District 3. And District 2, John, and then Williams in New York. So all these folks are likely supporting this effort because of dark money, which basically means you can donate money to a nonprofit, not disclose the amount. So if you're an anti-DJI United States competitor, that's how you would funnel your money into these representatives without being known. However, you can write your member to give feedback on these bills. So I just clicked on that give feedback link, typed in my local address, and these are my 3 local representatives. So I'm going to start with my House of Representative person, and then I'm going to use Google's Gemini to write an argument for why this act should not be passed and DJI should be allowed to be sold in the United States and be used by people. And this is just going to save time. And it looks like people have asked this before because this is a pretty solid response. So, of course, if you have more than 10 minutes, you can absolutely write your own reason for why this is bad. But I'm just going to go ahead and just scan this, make sure there's no bad hallucinations, and then just do a nice little copy paste into the text box. All right. So there's our text of our message. Just doing one more quick scan. We'll see if they give me a response, and then we'll go ahead and submit. Looks like we're 14 characters over, so we'll just delete some of this text at the very bottom. There we go. That should do it. And now we have submitted. So we'll go to our next representative. And typically with these, you got to fill out personal information like who you are, where you live. They want to be able to make sure you're a human, not a bot. So I just fast forward through that and go straight to the technology message topic and, paste in my response. So there's 2 out of 3 of my representatives. This one's a senator. So, and then we'll go to my other senator. Copy, pasted, done. And just like that, I've written all 3 of my representatives, letting them know that they should not ban DJI drones. You should do the exact same thing. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.